Welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. Today we're going to show you a beautiful 3-bedroom ground floor apartment in Los Granados Golf. This apartment has direct access to the Spacious Golf Club with this 75 square meter terrace overlooking the garden and the pool. The complex includes amenities such as indoor pool, gym, hammam and sauna, perfect for luxury living. Please contact us if you want more information or if you'd like to schedule a viewing.